Hey there, everyone! Let's talk about something we all think about, being healthy. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling fantastic. We want energy to dance, laugh, and enjoy life. Eating healthy is a big part of that. But finding the right foods can feel like a game show. Don't worry, because today's prize is juicy, delicious, and good for you. We're talking about grapefruit. This amazing fruit is more than just a breakfast staple. It can be your secret weapon in the quest for a healthier you. So, what exactly is grapefruit? Imagine a citrus fruit bigger than an orange with a taste that's a little bit tart and a whole lot of refreshing. Grapefruit comes in different varieties like red, white, and pink. Each one has its own unique flavor, but they all share one thing. They're packed with good stuff. We're talking vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These are like little superheroes that help your body thrive. Ready to learn more about this amazing fruit? Let's dive into the nutritional goodness of grapefruit. Okay, time for a quick nutrition lesson. But don't worry, it's going to be fun. Today, we're diving into the world of vitamins, minerals, and more, all packed into one amazing fruit, the grapefruit. Grapefruit is like a multivitamin you can actually enjoy eating. It's not just delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Imagine getting a burst of health benefits with every juicy bite. First up, we've got vitamin C. This powerhouse vitamin is essential for your body. It helps in the growth, development, and repair of all body tissues. It's involved in many body functions, including the formation of collagen, absorption of iron, the immune system, wound healing, and the maintenance of cartilage, bones, and teeth. This vitamin is like your immune system's best friend, helping you fight off those pesky colds. Just one grapefruit can provide you with more than half of your daily vitamin C needs. So, next time you feel a sniffle coming on, reach for a grapefruit. Grapefruit is bursting with it, but that's not all. This fruit is also rich in other essential nutrients. Next, let's talk about fiber. Fiber is crucial for a healthy digestive system. It helps regulate the body's use of sugars, helping to keep hunger and blood sugar in check. This helps keep your tummy happy and makes you feel full longer. A diet high in fiber can help you maintain a healthy weight and lower your risk of diabetes and heart disease. That means fewer snack cravings. Incorporating grapefruit into your meals can be a delicious way to stay on track with your health goals. And don't forget about antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect your body from damage by free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can lead to chronic diseases. These little guys help protect your cells from damage. Antioxidants are like the unsung heroes of the nutrient world, working behind the scenes to keep you healthy. It's like having a tiny army fighting for your health. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some grapefruits. Your body will thank you for it. Now let's get to the juicy part: weight loss. Grapefruit has earned a reputation as a weight loss wonder fruit, and for good reason. Remember how we talked about fiber? Well, that fiber plays a key role in keeping you feeling full and satisfied. That means you're less likely to overeat. But that's not all. Grapefruit also has a special something that might just give your metabolism a little boost. It's true. Some studies suggest that grapefruit can help regulate blood sugar levels, which can be a game changer for weight management. Section 5. The Science Speaks, Studies on Grapefruit and Weight Management. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen, is this too good to be true? Can a simple fruit like grapefruit really make a difference in our weight management journey? Well, that's why we always have to look at the science. It's important to dive deep into the research and understand what the studies are actually telling us. There have been actual studies on grapefruit and its potential weight loss benefits. These studies have been conducted by reputable scientists and institutions, aiming to uncover the truth behind the grapefruit's reputation. One study found that people who ate grapefruit before meals lost more weight than those who didn't. This study was conducted over a period of 12 weeks and involved a group of overweight individuals. The results were quite promising, showing a significant difference in weight loss between the grapefruit group and the control group. Another study showed that grapefruit might help lower insulin levels, which can be beneficial for weight control. Insulin is a hormone that plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels and fat storage. By lowering insulin levels, grapefruit may help the body use fat more efficiently, leading to weight loss. Of course, more research is always a good thing. The scientific community is constantly evolving, and new studies are being conducted all the time. It's important to stay updated with the latest findings and understand that science is an ongoing process. But these studies definitely suggest that grapefruit can be a helpful addition to a healthy weight loss journey. It's not a magic bullet, but when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, grapefruit can be a valuable tool in achieving your weight management goals. So, next time you're at the grocery store, consider picking up a few grapefruits and see how they can fit into your healthy lifestyle. Section 6, grapefruit in your diet, simple and delicious ideas. Okay, so we know grapefruit is good for us, but how do we actually eat it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The classic way is to cut it in half and enjoy it with a spoon. You can sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top if you like it sweeter, but that's just the beginning. You can add grapefruit segments to your salads for a tangy twist, blend them into smoothies for a refreshing treat, or even grill them for a unique and smoky flavor. Section 7. Breakfast bliss. Starting your day the grapefruit way. Let's start with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Grapefruit is a fantastic way to kick things off. How about a refreshing grapefruit and yogurt parfait? Just layer yogurt, granola, and grapefruit segments in a glass for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Or, if you're short on time, simply grab a grapefruit half and enjoy it with your morning coffee or tea. The tangy flavor of grapefruit will awaken your taste buds and give you a boost of energy to start your day right. Section 8. Lunchtime lightness. Grapefruit salads and snacks. When lunchtime rolls around, grapefruit can add a burst of flavor and freshness to your meals. One of my favorite ways to enjoy grapefruit is in a salad. The tangy segments pair perfectly with leafy greens, grilled chicken or fish, and a light vinaigrette. If you're looking for a quick and easy snack, grapefruit is a great option. Just peel and enjoy a few segments for a refreshing and satisfying treat that won't derail your healthy eating goals. Section 9. Dinner delights, grapefruit for a refreshing finish. You might not think of grapefruit as a dinner staple, but it can actually add a wonderful citrusy twist to your evening meals. For example, you can grill grapefruit halves and serve them alongside grilled fish or chicken. The grilling process brings out the natural sweetness of the grapefruit and creates a caramelized crust that's simply irresistible. Another option is to use grapefruit juice as a base for marinades or sauces. The tangy juice adds a bright and refreshing flavor to chicken, pork, and even tofu. Section 10. Fun facts about grapefruit. Did you know? Alright, time for some fun facts about grapefruit. Did you know that grapefruit is actually a hybrid fruit? It's a cross between a pomelo and an orange. And get this, grapefruit got its name because it grows in clusters on trees, kind of like grapes. Isn't that cute? Oh, and one more thing, grapefruit is a great source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your skin from sun damage. So eat your grapefruit and stay sun-kissed, not sunburned. Section 11. Embrace the grapefruit, your partner in wellness. So there you have it. Grapefruit is not just a delicious and refreshing fruit, it's a nutritional powerhouse that can support your weight loss goals and overall well-being. This vibrant citrus fruit is packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that can help you feel your best. From its high vitamin C content, which is crucial for a strong immune system and healthy skin, to its potential metabolism-boosting effects, grapefruit can be a game-changer in your diet. Studies have shown that consuming grapefruit regularly can help improve insulin resistance and lower blood sugar levels. Grapefruit has earned its place as a superstar in the world of healthy eating. Its low-calorie content makes it an excellent choice for those looking to shed a few pounds without sacrificing flavor. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't just walk past the produce section. Be sure to pick up a few grapefruits. They are versatile and can be enjoyed in many ways, whether you prefer them fresh, juiced, or as part of a delicious salad. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Incorporating grapefruit into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to boost your overall health. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Start by adding a slice of grapefruit to your breakfast or enjoying it as a refreshing snack. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep on dancing. Embrace the power of grapefruit and let it be your partner in wellness. With its numerous health benefits and delightful taste, grapefruit is a fruit worth celebrating every day.